Easy as pie, lemon, apple or cherry. Loving you is so very sweet, sweet, sweet. How can it be such a piece of cake? And your smile is the icing. Loving you is a party. It's sweet, sweet, sweet. How can it be? And you make my candy-coated heart melt when you take my hand and I am under your spell.
Welcome to Hersheypark for a park tour and food. All the highlighted food here at Hersheypark. Don't miss this video.
Start over.
We are back in Hersheypark to give you a food tour. We did a video on all the rides in the water park, but today's kind of special because we want to show you all the foods, right?
Right. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell.
And let's get right into it.
Todd's got quite a few things on the list here today that we want to try, so stay tuned.
And trust me, we're not going to eat all this in one day. All right, you got to get candy apples or caramel corn. Right here they are. All right, here we go. We're heading to our first stop. I'm so hungry. They got these turkey legs over here. That's what I want right now. There's where the turkey legs are. The smokehouse grill. Look at this. This is a turkey leg. I've been waiting all day for this thing. But it smells smoky. It looks amazing. I gotta take a bite. That's a good turkey leg. And I'm gonna be eating this thing. But here's one of the rides I didn't get to show you in my Hersheypark. It's the Trailblazer. And let's take a bite of this. There it is. And they even got cinnamon frosted nuts. All right, we were just at the smokehouse. I got that turkey leg, and look at this dessert. It is blueberry cheesecake. It's only seasonal. They said they just got this for July. We're here on the 4th of July. How's that, hon?
It's really, really good.
She says it's good. All right, give me a bite, honey. My. That is great blueberry cheesecake. Could be my new favorite thing here at Hersheypark.
Yeah. For your safety, we ask that you remain use of
There's my
Hersheypark.
wife looking for something to eat. Look at the cookies, the freezes. They got s'mores here that are huge. We're gonna try this some more. Peanut butter. All right, we just got the peanut butter s'more, and we're gonna open this box and see what's inside. Oh my goodness, it's like 2 of them. I think she said you put them together and smash them. But that's a pretty big s'more. I've never seen anything like this.
It's really hot.
She says it's hot.
It's very hot.
Oh my gosh, look at that peanut butter cup just oozing out. Here we go. A peanut butter cup s'more at Hershey. And this place is right outside Chocolate World. How is that? I've never seen a graham cracker that big.
Okay, he's always getting me, so I want him getting a bite of this messy s'more. He didn't even get messy.
All right. All right, we're on the Coal Cracker, which is the boat ride at Hersheypark. Make sure you watch that Hersheypark video and the water park video. But where are we headed next?
For a soft pretzel.
A soft pretzel. This is going to be amazing, but let's get this ride over with first. Whoa! Man, this thing is moving. I don't remember it going that fast. Ah! All right, that cold cracker was a blast, but now it's about these soft pretzels. Cheese, chocolate frosting. All right, this is a garlic soft pretzel. It just smells amazing. I'm gonna try this one, and they're so fresh. Man, there is so much garlic on that. It may be too much. We are gonna come back here and give you a tour of Hersheypark in the dark. All right, here it is. I kid you not. This is called Making Whoopie. You pick your flavor, you pick your cookie, and they turn it into a whoopie pie. I'm getting one of these. You can also get ice cream in between your whoopie pie. All right, we just got the Making Whoopie pie. Hold that thing up there.
It's pretty big.
What kind you get?
Coffee shell with the mocha fudge filling.
It looks amazing, man.
It tastes like a mocha from Starbucks. That's good.
It is sweet,
Yeah.
but it's good. Look at this, the frozen spoon house-made sorbet right in Hersheypark. All right, this is the Jolly Rancher Sampler Flight. 4 different flavors of sorbet. So I forget the different flavors. I know there's green apple in here and grape. It's almost like whipped cream. That's really good.
Look, the spoon changes color.
All right, this is a must stop. The funnel cakes. Wait till you see these. They got deep fried peanut butter cups, but look at all these funnel cakes. Oh wow. Salted caramel, strawberry cream, fluffernutter with marshmallow and peanut butter. And this is the kind we got. The peanut butter cup funnel cake. And it's Reese's. All right, my wife just got this funnel cake. What's it called?
Reese's peanut butter cup funnel cake. It has chocolate sauce, Hershey's syrup, crumbled Reese's pieces, and powdered sugar.
Oh my God.
Crumbled Reese's peanut butter cups.
And that chocolate is starting to melt.
Yeah.
You better taste that.
I'm going to. Oh my
She's
goodness.
excited for this one. And it's got peanut butter sauce on it.
Peanut
Oh
butter
my
sauce and hot
goodness.
sauce. It's good.
That's really good. Got a lot of sweetness there. Got a walking taco truck here. Right next to Nathan's is a walking taco truck. Is this cool or what? All right, here it is, Tower Fries. We're getting the pulled pork ones. Wait till you see these things. Cheesesteak fries, buffalo chicken, cheddar bacon, and pulled pork. Look at those fries. They're dumping mac and cheese on them. OMG. That looks great. All right, here it is, the pulled pork fries. Look at those things. We're going to taste, man, there's so much pork in there.
I can't find the French
We
fries.
can't find the fries.
There they are. How is it?
Oh, man. Just as good as I remember. And the fries are crispy, too. You got to try that one. Look at this. What a place to come on a hot day. All right, this is cool. This is how you get your drinks. It's a scan and fill. You scan your card and you fill your drink. There it is. The short rib flatbread. Does that look good, honey?
Yes, I can't wait to eat it. I'm very hungry.
Let's do it. All right, and over on the boardwalk side, they got Nathan's. World famous Nathan's. let's check out the hot dogs. All right, we got the Nathan's dogs at the hot dog stand, and let's see what it's like. It looks good. What do you think?
It's really good.
She says she loves it. Check these guys out. This is where you get measured when getting to the park. Another way to get measured. All right, there is no shortage of any kind of candy in here after you're done eating all this stuff we had today. This is the Sweetery. Look at this place. Oh my goodness. Man, look at these little miniature cakes. All right, they even got a Chick-fil-A here at Hersheypark. But we're looking for the fun stuff today. Look at these flatbreads at the chocolatier. You can't go wrong with flatbread pizza for sure. All right, here's some food. A Twizzler, Hersheypark, Chicky and Pete's, crab fry. All right, we just got Chicky's Pete's, the fries, and the cheese sauce. My wife is gonna try one of these babies. They're good, aren't they?
They're really good.
Really good. I'll tell you one thing, we're having the perfect day here at Hersheypark. There is so much to do, so many different places to eat. All right, make sure you watch my other Hershey video. This place is amazing, that's all I can say. We're back at the chocolatier, and you can even sit in an amusement type car, and they have a great bar area too with incredible chocolate drinks.
Oh my God.
All right, this thing is called the Super Duper Sundae. It's absolutely amazing. Like 8 scoops of ice cream on here. My wife is gonna tackle it and see where it goes. All right, this is how you finish up a beautiful day at Hersheypark. Look at this milkshake. It's peanut butter, and on the top is peanut butter pie, and that looks like a chocolate pretzel.
Peanut butter chocolate chips too.
Oh my goodness. How is it, honey?
A lot of peanut butter.
A lot of peanut butter. That's what we want.
Oh my God, I can't see.
Honey, look at the camera, not the light. All right, that wraps our day up here. I hope you love this Hershey food tour. Make sure you watch all our other Hershey videos and stay tuned for the next one. Thanks for subscribing and have a great day.
Bye.
Easy as pie, lemon, apple, or cherry. Loving you is so very sweet, sweet, sweet. How can it be such a piece of cake? And your smile is the icing. Loving you is a part